Now in the question, it is asked to find the center of gravity for the I-section. Once again, the I-section is having the symmetry about y-axis. If that is the case, then x coordinate can be made 0. So same way, if I-section is having the symmetry about x-axis, the y coordinate will be made 0. So here the I-section symmetry is with respect to y-axis. So this will be the y-axis. Now here we have got three areas. So this will be counted as area number 1. This will be area number 2. And this would be area number 3. So A1 will be straight away equal to 10 into 2, which is 20 centimeters. A2 will be equal to once again 10 into 2, which is 20 centimeters. And A3 will be equal to 20 into 2, which is 40 centimeters. And y coordinate for the area number 3 is straight away 2 by 2, which is 1 centimeter. And y2 will be measured from the ground. So this is our reference line. So with respect to this line, the measurement has to be done. So we are finding that the area number 2 is 2 centimeters above the reference line or x-axis, whatever we call it. So this 2 centimeters needs to be added, and the centroid will be lying at a distance of 5 by 5, or that is 10 by 2. An additional distance of 10 centimeters, additional distance of 2 centimeters. So that is 2 plus 10 by 2, which is equal to 7 centimeters. And y1 will be equal to, the distance has to be measured from the ground. So this distance from the ground comes out to be as 10 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter, plus 2 by 2, which is 13 centimeters. So now we need to calculate y bar. So y bar here, it is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. So a1 is 20 centimeters square, it has to be. So 20 into y1 is 13 plus a2 is 20 into 17 plus a3 is 40 into 1 whole divided by, this is a1 is 20 plus 20 plus 40. So this is 20 plus 20 times of 13 is 260 plus 20 into 7 is 140. Next is plus 40 whole divided by, this would be 80. So 260 plus 40 is 300. 440 divided by 80, that is 0 and 0 will be cancelled. So this is 2 4s 8 and this is 2 22s. Next is 2 2s 4 and this is 2 11s. So this will be 5.5 centimeters from the ground. So centroid here, the total center of gravity is at a distance of 5.5 centimeters from the ground, or from the base or the bigger flange. The bottom one is called as flange. Okay, this is called as bottom flange or the bigger flange, and this is called as web. And the above one is referred as top flange. So from the bottom flange, the centroid or center of gravity is at a distance of 5.5 centimeters. And same way, if you are interested in measuring from the top, then it would be total height is 10 plus 2 plus 2, that is 14. 14 minus 5.5. 14 minus 5.5, which is equal to 9.5 centimeters from the top. So either of the way, you can measure it from the top or from the bottom.